I know, guys, this is not sexy like a Bugatti Chiron or a Porsche 911, but hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to do the unboxing of the Rough Terrain Crane, and look at this, 4,057 pieces. The previous Lego Technic set that was close to this in terms of number of pieces was the bucket wheel excavator. Let me grab the camera because I have that set right there on my top shelf here. 3,929 pieces. So the Rough Terrain Crane has a little bit more parts, more pieces. And when you open this, look at this here, the details here. It's an amazing box, by the way. I know, guys, this is not sexy like a Bugatti Chiron or a Porsche 911, but this is motorized, lots of pieces, and the motorized functions are very interesting. You can select between the lower or the upper sections. Here, for example, you can extend the boom, and you get here a total height of 1 meter, more than 3 feet. And you have here the winch also. You can motorize, you can turn the superstructure. This is very cool, and there's a second model that they show in the back. Let me grab my camera again just to show that to you up close. This is the mobile pile driver. So this looks cool also. The sides have nothing special. Translation in Spanish and in French, because this is a Canadian Lego box, so it has also French. So I'm going to do a time lapse, I think, but certainly I will do a second video where I'm going to show the motorized functions because they are amazing. Now let me open the box and see what's inside. Oh, there's a lot of stuff over here. There's also a box inside. Let's open this. Put all this stuff on the table. There is a lot. Let's make sure the box is empty. Yeah, it is. So what do we have here? We have a box. Oh, nice wheels. Look at this. Very, very nice. So we have, like you saw in the box, the theme is red and black, which is great. And I guess when I do this, you cannot hear me, right? So, oh, look at these. They're huge. Look at this. This is big. Look at my hand. Look at this scale. Look at my hand. This is big. And as always, Lego tires feel great. So I'm going to leave all these bags over here. Right there, right there. Tires, wheels and wheels. And here, oh, this is heavy box. Oh, this has also stickers. There you go. This box is heavy. What do we have here now? Oh, more bags. We have more bags. Look at this. Oh, we have the battery compartment. We have the big motor. And we have the book. Actually, it's two books. Two books and the sticker sheet. So let me open this thing here. I like the fact that the books are kept in the second box, because then they arrive to your house in a good condition. So let's put this aside. So the sticker sheet, very nice, a lot of stickers actually, and the two books. Okay, book number 2 and book number 1. So book number 1, wow, this has 347 pages, and book number 2 has of building pages 321. Wow, almost 700 pages of instructions. This is insane. So this will, I think I'll need a few years, guys, to put this together. So yeah, probably like maybe a good 5 years. So I'll see you back in 2024, and I'll do a motorized video not a motorized video, but a video on the motorized functions of this amazing Lego set. So see you in a few years.